I hope I got that at 146.
Skunk! Son of a bitch!
Good call. At braking, I mean. And good eyes, because I wasn't watching the road, but I...
Q Z34. You understand a bicycle is a vehicle by Florida Statute 316.003.
Go ahead. Did I hit you with the car?
You're tailgating me, then you yelled at me, you cussed at me. It was all caught on GoPro, dude. And you got a cross in your car. You're a fake religious person. Good, learn how to drive. I drive better than you. QNQ Z34.
vehicle is going to be approaching River from 29, and the vehicle is going to be a red Caliber for possible felony 99.
We are set up with Shano at the overpass of 160 with 2 sets of spikes. We'll let you know how this goes.
I copy. And is it because the RO has a felony parole violation 99? They hit the spikes, all 4 tires are flat.
We have 5 patrol vehicles following this vehicle right now. They lose all 4 tires. So traveling eastbound down to about 30. We just passed the top of our eastbound 20.
This is the informational page only. Shawano County is currently in a high-speed pursuit. The suspect vehicle has lost all 4 tires due to hitting a strip. They are on 29 eastbound, about 1 mile from the county line. It is going to be a red vehicle with a felony 99. Again, informational only in case it does come into the city.
Yes, we are coming up to the overpass, so stay not at the line. Guys, we're just crossing the line right now.
With the slow speeds, if we can get a car that can pit, that would be the best option, if it's safe to do so.
And they're going wrong way. Eastbound in the west lane.
Speeds are at 60. Still head on in traffic. Lincoln car, get over to the side. He's coming head on. 2 still heading on in the traffic.
You guys are coming up to a group of cars.
1050 at the hills.
You gotta take him out or he's gonna go down with these cars. I have no room to spin them.
Today, any cars that are start diverting traffic off the highway.
And eastbound in the regular lane. Pursuit's continuing.
Approximate speeds are 50. He's fishtailing all over the road.
Dispatch, we are terminating before this gets worse.
Approaching 41.
He's in the hills. He was driving down in the right direction.
This county is asking that I advise you the vehicle is going to be coming into the city limits with no tires.
We're going to assist on custody.
Gunpoint.
At gunpoint. 1 female lady, she's pregnant. Driver is still in the car.
It's 29 says standstill. If we can get lights back on the hill, if there's a unit back there.
Throw 1 ambulance with a female. Anxiety attack and pregnant.
Shut down eastbound 29, right on the double F. I'm getting a lot of traffic building up here.
They're all 1080, all 3. Rescue for any other parties or just a pregnant female with anxiety?
Holy Wow!